But yeah, I was wondering for the rest of what's going on, man?
What up, what up?
Man, it's good to see you again.
You too.
What you got running here this time?
I got right now, I got 2 EM Audio 12s on a Salt 6, 1.5 ohm.
You got way up. Hold on. Which EM Audio do you run?
I run, these are the 1750 series. They're a discontinued series. They're like the EM Audio 2K series. FS is about 42. They're about a 45-pound sub.
Yeah, I was figuring it's one of them big ones.
They require about 2.5 to 3 cubes per sub.
Yeah.
So we did this, and it's doing very, very well.
It's working out.
It's tuned a little higher, but other than that, I mean, you know, I love it.
You got it looking good in here.
I appreciate it, man. I really do.
You drive this thing over here?
Yes, I do.
Oh yeah.
I got my regular seats in the back. It's just my demo seats.
Yeah.
It's tuned to 40.
You every high note you hit in there, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Which one did you have in here before that? I forgot which one you had.
Before I had it in here, I had 2 DS18s.
That's what I thought you had.
That's
yeah.
right. That's right.
That's right.
And at the show I met you at last time, it dropped the coil on one side.
Okay, so you went on ahead and
I just went ahead and
came all the way out with it.
Yep.
What's the next show you going to?
Next show, probably Bryant Radio.
Okay. Down in, is that North Carolina, South Carolina?
It's Virginia.
That one in Virginia, okay. Yeah, inbox me, man. I wouldn't mind trying to make some more shows up this way.
Absolutely.
I don't really see many of them up this way, but I love to try to get back, so.
Right. The bigger shows I'm going to try to hit this year. We might go down and made a steal this
yeah, that's what we're trying to head to. It's usually good, so I think they're doing 3 days this year, so.
Right. Yeah. It's a good thing.
It's a good drive for us, but you know.
Yeah. I mean, I'm a little bit further north than you are. You're in Georgia, right?
Tennessee, West Tennessee.
Okay.
Closer to Arkansas.
Yeah. So I'm about 2.5 hours south of here. So yeah.
Okay. Yeah. That ain't too bad. Yeah, man. Well, let me know where they can follow you at on social media. Where you at on Facebook, Instagram?
Oh, Instagram. Well, Facebook is Jim Airgood on Facebook. I got a TikTok, The Mad Professor on TikTok. And that's about all I use, really.
Okay, y'all know I'll tag them down below. Y'all know I got some other videos of the build. I'm gonna tag those too. It was good seeing you, man.
You too.
Yeah, appreciate it, man.